Hey friends, if you encounter this issue that full screen apps and games keep minimizing themselves in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. Search for game mode in the Windows search bar and go to game mode settings. Turn this off. Next one, search for device manager, open device manager. Expand the list for display drivers, right click and update the drivers, and right click and update the drivers once again. Now here's one more thing, the drive in resolution should also be set by the game. This is not something that we are supposed to manually change, though we are not supposed to do that. So if the game is not smart enough to change it on its own, you can contact the game manufacturer for any adjustment on the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.